Did you know that Mr. Rogers, the famous creator from Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, actually did it because he hated TV, but he wanted to create something that would nurture people of all ages. And do you ever feel that way about virtual reality, that you'd like to have an influence on it for the greater good? That's what I'm going to attempt to do with your help and participation on my Facebook Live series, starting at the end of this month. So I hope you'll join me, where we'll set an intention, say peace and calm, and we'll create beauty, and out of that we'll all get confidence and well-being. And we'll be doing simple little drawings like this that only require 3 colors and a piece of computer paper. Okay, I'm going to start by breathing out. The most important thing you can do for relaxation is actually not necessarily deep breathing in, but letting go and breathing out. So in order to do that, you do have to breathe in, but focus on your exhale. And then we'll go right into blue. Still focusing on our exhale. And bring the blue lightly down with light strokes till you get to the bottom. Let go of judgments and just enjoy the piece of the color moving. Let it move into the white space, but not always, just some. Switch to our red and bring in a peaceful red so we can actually move peacefully. And now let's create more green. And here, going to be real bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. And down here, let go. Bigger movements, but also playful. Let's fill in with yellow, but not in the circles.